On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok effects problem. If you have any problem with any specific filter or effect on TikTok, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So the first way is you have to go to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps now, you have to search for TikTok app right here. Just wait a few seconds, it will start loading. After that, scroll, click on TikTok and then click on storage right here or the internal storage, and then you have to wait a few seconds and click on clear data and clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into the Play Store and search for TikTok and then click on this update option. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to try to remove TikTok from your phone and re-download it. And even if the problem still didn't solve, then you have the latest chance, which is you have to download TikTok Lite, because maybe your phone is not supporting the normal TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe.